Welcome to our comprehensive guide on farm management. Today, we'll explore best practices to ensure your farm thrives. Our expert will share invaluable insights, providing a solid foundation for managing your farm efficiently. Let's start by understanding why effective farm management is crucial. As we move forward, you'll learn the steps to plan and execute your farm strategies effectively, ensuring a productive and sustainable future. We begin with the cornerstone of any successful farm, planning. Start with setting clear, achievable goals. Your vision will drive your decisions and actions moving forward. Next, assess your resources, land, equipment, labor, and identify any gaps. Then, create a comprehensive farm plan outlining your goals, resource inventory, and strategies for achieving your objectives. Remember, planning is an ongoing process that adapts as your farm grows and changes. Now, with your plan in hand, you're ready to move to the next step. Let's explore how foundational planning supports crop rotation, maintaining soil health, and boosting crop yields. Crop rotation is a key practice. It maintains soil health and reduces pests by growing different types of crops in the same area in sequential seasons. This prevents the depletion of specific nutrients, as different crops utilize varying nutrients. Crop rotation enhances soil structure, suppresses weeds, and breaks pest life cycles. Healthier crops require fewer chemical interventions, making your farm more sustainable and productive. Start by categorizing your crops into families and rotate accordingly. For example, plant root crops like carrots after harvesting legumes. Detailed records and soil observations will guide adjustments over time. Next, we'll explore how to maintain and improve soil quality. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive farm. Start with testing, analyzing nutrients, pH levels, and organic matter to identify what's needed. Improve soil quality with organic matter like compost, mulching, and crop rotation to balance nutrients. Think of healthy soil as an investment, paying off with stronger crops and better yields season after season. Managing soil health is an ongoing process, requiring regular monitoring and adjustments. As we move forward, you'll see how soil health integrates with other farm practices, providing a robust foundation for your entire operation. Next, we'll explore effective pest control. Effective pest control is crucial. Pests can devastate crops if not managed properly. Start by identifying common pests. Natural pest control methods safeguard your crops and maintain ecological balance. For example, introduce beneficial insects that prey on pests and use crop rotation to disrupt pest life cycles. Finally, use pesticides safely. While effective, they must be applied correctly to avoid harm to yourself, others, and the environment. The right knowledge can keep pests at bay and ensure a healthy, productive farm. Next, we'll dive into water management practices to keep your farm thriving. Water is the lifeblood of any successful farm. Efficient water management practices are paramount. Discover innovative irrigation systems that maximize water distribution while minimizing waste. From drip irrigation to pivot systems, choose the right methods to ensure your crops are consistently hydrated. Explore critical water conservation techniques. Practices like rainwater harvesting and mulching reduce water usage and enhance sustainability. Stay tuned as we delve into these strategies, ensuring your farm remains productive and eco-friendly. Next, we'll explore nutrient management to help your crops get the nourishment they need. Crops need more than sunlight and water to thrive, they rely on essential nutrients. Understanding plant nutrients is the first step in nutrient management. Each nutrient plays a unique role in growth and productivity. Explore fertilizers, both organic and inorganic. Organic fertilizers enhance soil structure and microbial activity, while inorganic fertilizers provide precise nutrient ratios. Effective application methods, such as broadcasting, banding, and foliar feeding, maximize benefits. Proper nutrient management promotes robust growth and high yields. As we move forward, you'll see how maintaining farm equipment supports overall efficiency and productivity. Maintaining your farm equipment is crucial for efficient operations. Regular, routine checks help catch small issues before they become major problems. Always inspect for wear and tear, check fluid levels, and ensure all parts are properly lubricated. Equipment failures can be costly. Knowing when to repair and when to replace is key. Prioritize critical repairs, and for older equipment that frequently breaks down, consider investing in new machinery. Well-maintained equipment operates efficiently, saving you time and money. As we move forward, you'll see practical examples of how to implement these maintenance routines, ensuring your farm runs like a well-oiled machine. Timing is everything when it comes to harvesting. We'll guide you on how to identify the perfect harvesting time for your crops. Next, explore various harvesting methods. From manual techniques to advanced machinery, understand the right method for your crops to ensure maximum efficiency and minimal waste. Once harvest is complete, proper post-harvest handling is crucial. Effective handling methods preserve quality and extend shelf life, ensuring produce reaches the market in the best condition. Mastering these techniques secures the best outcome for your hard work. Next, we'll show how proper farm record keeping enhances productivity and profitability. Accurate farm record keeping is vital for understanding and improving performance. Detailed records of crops, livestock, and expenses help track progress and make informed decisions. Consider production logs, financial statements, and equipment maintenance logs for unique insights into operations. Embrace technology for efficient record keeping. Apps and software can help organize, analyze, and store records, making key information easily accessible. Integrating these tools into your routine ensures records remain accurate and up-to-date. Next, discover how effective marketing strategies can significantly impact your farm's success. Stay tuned to learn how to identify markets, develop strategies, and build customer relationships. Marketing your produce effectively can be a game changer. Identify the right markets where your produce will be most appreciated. Explore farmers markets, community-supported agriculture programs, and direct-to-consumer sales. Develop robust marketing strategies. Utilize social media, create a compelling brand story, and leverage word-of-mouth marketing. The goal is to make your produce stand out. Building and maintaining strong customer relationships is crucial. Engage with customers, seek their feedback, and show you value their support. As we move forward, you'll discover how effective financial management practices can solidify your farm's sustainability. Stay tuned. Effective financial management is critical for sustainability. Start with budgeting to track every dollar and make informed decisions. Next, financial planning involves setting goals, forecasting income and expenses, and preparing for the unexpected. Managing finances goes beyond bookkeeping. Understand cash flow, manage debt, and plan for future investments. Adopting these practices ensures profitability and resilience. Sound financial management may seem daunting, but it's achievable with the right approach. As we move forward, you'll see how integrating these financial strategies can mesh with other aspects of farm management for a holistic approach. Stay tuned. Sustainable farming practices are essential for the future of agriculture. These practices enhance your farm's ecosystem, ensuring long-term productivity and resilience. Rotate crops to break pest cycles and improve soil fertility. Use cover crops to protect soil from erosion and add nutrients back into the earth. Integrated pest management minimizes reliance on chemical pesticides, promoting a healthier environment. Adopting sustainable practices fosters biodiversity, reduces environmental impact, and can enhance yields over time. In the next segment, we'll explore practical ways to tackle common pitfalls in farm management. Stay with us for more tips on ensuring sustainable success. Every farm encounters challenges. Identifying common pitfalls early on is crucial. Inadequate planning is a major pitfall. Ensure you have a clear, detailed plan that outlines goals and resources. Regularly test soil and make necessary amendments to maintain fertility. Use integrated pest management to minimize damage while promoting a healthy ecosystem. Financial mismanagement can undermine all efforts. Keep meticulous records and create a budget to monitor expenses and revenues closely. Effective marketing is essential for reaching customers and securing income. Learn from mistakes by analyzing what went wrong and adapting strategies. Join us next for expert advice and real-life examples to refine your skills. We've covered a lot of ground today. Let's recap key points: crop rotation, soil health, pest control, and water management. Each practice plays a vital role in farm success. Now, let's hear final advice from our expert. Embrace these strategies with diligence and consistency. Implementing these practices can transform your farm's productivity and sustainability. Take action and start making a difference today. Thank you for watching, and here's to successful farming.